Hello everyone, welcome to Being the Change. So, today I'll be talking about how I plan things and how I organize things. As you can see me arranging my table. So, this is the first thing that I do when I start my day, and it's very important to get an environment which is friendly enough for you to begin your studies. So, I do that the very first thing in the morning or whenever I wake up, because sometimes I'm not that organized and I'm not able to follow my routine, so it happens, and it kind of makes me unmotivated to start my day. But then I do try to organize my table and my surroundings, or take care of my environment. So here I'm starting to make a weekly plan. I'm doing this after making a monthly plan, so I'll talk about it a bit later on. So and I also thought of making a sign which I'll see daily, and it'll motivate me to begin my studies, because I've been feeling very lethargic lately and I'm not putting up that much effort which is needed. Also, I'm lacking what I need, which is time management and the will to push myself harder, because there's not much time left for prelims. So yeah, here I'll be talking about it. So this is the weekly plan from 8th to 13th March. So CA magazine I thought of doing, and then 2 mocks I'll be doing in this week, and the PYQ, which is the previous year questions for polity and economy, then economic survey, and the Lakshmikant, which I'll be completing the center part. So for Monday I thought of doing the February CA, and the mock analysis I have to complete, the newspaper and the Drishti portal. So what I'll do is I'll write it on a mini sheet of paper, and mentioning the day. After writing it on this one, I'll stick it on the wall so that I can see it in front of my eyes, because earlier what I used to do was I maintained a diary in which I used to write my to-do list, and then I used to close that diary. But what happened was, sometimes I didn't feel like opening the diary and the schedule went not so fruitful. So I thought of making a chit and stick it in front of me so that I can keep looking at it, and it will remind me that I have to complete my to-do list for the day. So that's how I'm starting to go about it, and I'll stick it on the wall now. So let's begin with the first thing in the list, that is the mock analysis. I'm starting with the mock analysis, and it took me around 1 hour to complete the remaining one. I was just left with around 5 to 7 questions, so I'll complete it in an hour or so. The second thing is the Vision magazine for February. This also I was about to complete, so I'm just left with, I guess, 3 to 4 pages. I was left with just 4 pages, so it also took me around 1.5 hours, so I'll complete it. My favorite time, the snack time. And this is the Drishti portal which I was talking about. So I'm thinking of supplementing the newspaper with the Drishti portal only, and I'm thinking I'm duplicating my effort by reading the newspaper and the Drishti portal after that, because a lot of news are already written in the portal itself. So I'm just thinking of doing the editorials from the newspaper, and then I'll read the portal for that. And I've also maintained a notebook, topic wise notebook, for noting down the things which are important. So I don't note down the things which everything that is written. I only note down the things which I know I'll be quoting in the mains, some figure or some good quote, or anything that it's a recommendation from any committee. So such things I note it down. Let me give you a small glimpse of my notebook. So these are the subtopics which I was talking about, and I have separated them with a little bit of a sticky note, and whenever some news comes which is relevant to the concerning section, I go and write it down in the section which is separated for the specific topic. So that's about the video. I hope you liked it, and thank you so much for joining me. If you find anything helpful, do like, share and subscribe, and let's be stronger than our excuses.